In front of me is LG K62, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome, located right here. Then tap on More icon, which is three dots one in the right upper corner, and select History. Here, just tap on Clear Browsing Data, and as you can see, you will find here Basic and Advanced options. So under Basic you have Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also Cache Images and Files. And then under Advanced you have a few more, which are Saved Passwords, Autofill from Data, and Site Settings. Obviously, if you would like to leave one of them, if you would like to still have your autofill form data, just unmark it, but I would like to perform a full cleanup, and then just select the time range, so click on time range, and pick the period of time that you would like to remove this data from. In my case it will be all time, because I would like to clear it fully, and click on Clear Data. And then confirm that you would like to do it by tapping on Clear. And as you can see, that's it. From now on, you can create a new browsing history. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.